How to fix Hamilton Beach toaster. Usually the problem is, I'm gonna show you first how we open this. There is on the side like a little screw covered with this thing. You pop this thing out, take the screw out. It's Allen key screw. Sorry. Take the screw out. It's Allen key, but you can use a Phillips screw for it. Do the other side, same way. Take this out. Then you have few screws on the side in here. I took it out already. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have this leg. You have to take this leg out with the screw in here. First you have to take the rubber cover out from here. Then you take the screw. Then you take all those screws out. And remember, there is one more screw on the side in here. You have to take this out. Only this one, not those. Okay. Then this cover will come right out like that from the bottom up. Then what you need to do is, there is a voltmeter. Get the voltmeter. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how to test the wire. First, you plug it in. Okay. You plug it in. Then you have 3 controls in here. Here is a clock. Here is mode, and this is temperature. So the problem with the temperature regulator, which is here. So power comes in, neutral to the neutral, hot goes to the timer, then the hot wire comes to the temperature. So the timer sends the power to the temperature through this wire. So if you test here, you're gonna see, let me show you, 120 volt. Let's put it AC. So you put this to the neutral, to the hot. It's you have to put the clock, the timer, I mean timer on, send the power. Now you have power in here, right there, 120. Okay, then you're gonna try to test it in here. It's not gonna have the wire out. In is 120, out is gonna be 0. So what is the problem here is there is like a little 2 pieces touching each other in here. We'll get closer. Let's turn this off. Like you see those in the back, in here. Those 2 pieces, you need to get a sandpaper and sand. It's like 2 pieces touching each other like that. When you put it low, it goes out. Then when you put it in, when you put it high, touch together. Then from too much use, these two pieces get like rusty stuff, and it doesn't it doesn't contact with each other. So what you're gonna do is clean those two pieces with sandpaper, then you will have power through this. This will give power through the other one, to the other one. Okay, then you put everything back together. Thanks.